And then, of course, with eye tracking VR, I mean, it's obviously there's a trend towards eye tracking VR. We've seen a lot of acquisitions in the space, but eye tracking is going to be very, very important for VR, for foveated rendering, from the technical perspective. But then you even have social cues and social interaction. So I'm looking at you. You just nodded your head. What about in a VR space? You need to have that extra, again, communication bandwidth in there. Also with having just ID and recognition, so being able to take care of IPD and rendering the image appropriately based on the distance between my pupils, and being able, or if I move the device, we're still able to render the image the right way because we always know where exactly you're looking.
Are you able to change the area that you're looking at, or is that just a set rendering space?
What do you mean, like the physical box? Yeah, so we're obviously going to want that to be the highest render because that's the one that my eye can actually perceive the most. And then we can render it different, and we can kind of throttle that, if that's what you're asking.
Sure,
Yeah, we can certainly throttle that based on what we want to do and how we want to do it. This is I mean, I can go pretty extreme here, but it's going to go to the point where the rendering, I'm going to be able to perceive it, which obviously defeats the purpose of doing it. But it's going to be a lot clunkier. But yeah, we're able to throttle it however we need to.